Sometimes we might wanted to reuse text from an image, but we always end up in typing. It will take a lot of time. To minimize this, I have come up with a trick. Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. Today I'm going to show you how to convert an image to a plain text. Let's get into the video. So this is my search result and I have got few images here. Let's take this image and I'm going to save this image and put this one in desktop. It is saved and you just go to onlineocr.net. So this is the website, and the second step is to select the image file which you have saved, which is database management. Yes, and here these are the options. You can select the language, and either you want it in Word document or Excel sheet or in a plain text. I need a plain text, and click on convert. That's it. So this is our text file, so you can copy this and you can reuse. You can put it in PowerPoint or Word document or anywhere. So this is a simple trick, right? What if the images are not downloadable? Sometimes the website might restrict right click. In that case, what you can do is you can use a snipping tool and capture the text and save this one. Okay, and again go to onlineocr.net, select the file that is saved as capture. Yes, and click on plain text and convert it. You see that we got the text section. Hope this is useful. Try this one and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.